Assalamualaikum dear student. Hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to start our English workbook of class nursery. So let's open the English workbook of class nursery. Dear student, according to our planning, it's week 4. First of all, mention the date on the top, like the date is the 21st of July and the day is Tuesday. Mention the date on the top and the day. Today we are going to learn how our workbook page number 12 to page number 15. Now let's open the workbook page number 12. Number 12. First of all, mention the date on the top. Like today, the date is 21st of July. Today we are going to learn how to write and how to read the small alphabet G and H. Now first of all, the first alphabet is G. Dear student, before we start our today topic, first of all, search the picture beginning with the G and circle them. Here the picture with the different images are mentioned. Now let's search the picture beginning with the alphabet G. Now, dear student, it's girl. Now circle the girl like this. Again, a girl, circle like this. Search the picture, it's grape. Now circle the grape like this. As today our topic is recognition of G and H. First of all, the first alphabet is G. How to write the small alphabet G? As we already learn how to write the alphabet A, B, C, D and E. Also F. Now today our alphabet is G. First of all, G, the phonic of G is G. G, G. G, G grabs. Again, G grabs. Now, first of all, we are going to trace the alphabet G. How we can trace alphabet G? First of all, follow the dots and then make G. First of all, start from this point, make a circle like this, then move downward and then like this. It becomes G. Again, follow the dots and complete the alphabet G. Make a circle, move downward and then a little bit curve. It becomes G. Again, trace the alphabet G. Make a circle, move downward like this. Again, G. Dear student, as the small alphabet G is a root letter and we will write the small alphabet G in the last 3 lines and it's our alphabet G. Now again we will write the G from center line, from second line start G and we will write the G. First of all, again make a circle, then move downward and touch the last line. It becomes G. Again, write the G. Make a circle in center 2 lines, then move downward and like this. It becomes G. Again, repeat. Make a circle, move downward and it becomes G. Now dear student, move toward the page number 13. The next alphabet is H. H is a gross letter and we will write the small h in the first 3 lines. Now first of all, read story. Hamza is Hafiz Quran and he loves to read Quran Majid and take care of Quran Majid. He keeps it a safe place in his house. We should also take care of Quran Majid because it is the holy book of Allah. Dear students, it's Hamza and he is Hafiz Quran and he loves to read Quran Majid. Students, Quran Majid हमारी ये होली बुक है और हमजा इसको सेफ प्लेस पर रखता है और हमें भी चाहिए कुरान मजीद का अदब करें, इसको पढ़ें और इसको सीखें. So, my dear children, do you want to become a Hafz Quran? Yes or no? क्या आप भी हाफिज़ कुरान बनना चाहेंगे? Now, dear student, the next alphabet is H. H is a gross letter, and we will write the small h in the first 3 lines. It's H. Now, first of all, the phonic of H is H. H, H, H hat, H house. Again, H hat, H house. Now, we are going to trace the small alphabet H. Start from the upper line, move downward, a straight line, then move upward, then a curve. It become H. Again, repeat the process and trace H. Move downward like this, then a curve. It's H. Again, start from the upper line, move downward, then upward and make a curve. It's become H. Again, trace the H like this. It's H. Now, dear student, we are going to write the small alphabet H in these lines. Again, start from upper point, make a straight line, then curve. It's H. Again, move downward, then upward and make a curve. It's H. Again, move downward, then make a curve. It's become H. Now, dear students, let's open the English reader of class nursery. Open the page number 9. Look and say. The alphabet, as we learn how to write the alphabet G. Now, we will learn how to read the alphabet G. The phonic of G is G. G, G. The first picture, grapes. G, G grapes, G globe, G goose, G girl, G glass, G gat. Again, G grapes, G globe, G goose, G girl, G glass, G gat. Now, take the missing piece of the girl. Now, dear students, it's a picture of girl, and now take the missing piece of a girl. It's A. Now, take the A like this. Now, moving toward the page number 10. The next alphabet is H. The phonic of H is H, H. H, H, hammer, H, hat, H, hen, H, hockey, H, house, H, horse. Again, repeat. H, hammer, H, hat, H, hen, H, hockey, H, house, H, horse. Hammer, hockey, nail and the ball. Now, link the relevant objects. It's a hammer and we use hammer for nail. Now, link these objects. And hockey, when we play the hockey, we use the hockey and the ball. Now, link these two objects. Now, dear student, it's all today working. Hope so. You should complete your home task with the help of your parents and make sure your presence in the online classes. Take care of yourself and fi aman Allah.